After the age of 55, many of us start wondering, why do we feel weaker even when we think we're eating healthy? The truth is, some everyday foods silently drain our strength, weaken our bones, and make our muscles age faster. But don't worry, today I'll walk you through the most common culprits, and show you the simple, delicious swaps that actually rebuild strength and keep you active. Prohibited food number 1, refined white bread and flour. Yes, that soft white bread or anything made with refined flour might taste comforting, but it does little for your health. These foods spike your blood sugar, cause energy crashes, and over time, they rob your muscles and bones of the nutrients they need. White heavy checkmark a smarter choice. Whole grain bread, oats, or brown rice. They release energy slowly, keep your digestion steady, and give your muscles the fuel they need to stay strong. Prohibited food number 2, processed meats. Hot dogs, sausages, deli meats, they're quick and tasty, but here's the problem, they're loaded with salt, preservatives, and unhealthy fats that strain your heart and joints. White heavy checkmark instead, go for lean, fresh protein like grilled chicken, turkey, beans, or lentils. These support healthy muscles, keep your heart strong, and give you lasting energy. Prohibited food number 3, salty packaged snacks. Chips, instant soups, and pickled snacks may seem harmless, but the excess salt in them raises blood pressure and weakens your bones by draining calcium. White heavy checkmark a better swap. Flavor your meals with natural spices, turmeric, ginger, garlic, or even a squeeze of lemon. They not only add taste but also protect your joints and reduce inflammation. Prohibited food number 4, sugary drinks. Soda, sweet tea, and juice packs feel refreshing, but they're actually sneaky sources of fatigue. They spike your sugar, stress your insulin, and over time, lead to weaker muscles and poor energy. White heavy checkmark choose water, coconut water, or a soothing cup of herbal tea. They hydrate you naturally, support circulation, and keep your energy steady all day long. Prohibited food number 5, fried and fast foods. Fried chicken, fries, or burgers, they're tempting, but these foods create inflammation, slow down circulation, and make recovery harder as we age. White heavy checkmark the good news is, you can still enjoy flavor. Grilled or baked foods with healthy oils like olive oil give you strength without the hidden damage. Here's the bottom line, what we put on our plate directly shapes how strong and active we feel after 60. By making a few small swaps, choosing whole grains over white bread, fresh proteins over processed meats, and water over sugary drinks, you're giving your body the chance to stay strong, flexible, and full of life. Remember, aging doesn't mean losing strength. It means being smarter with your choices. Take care of your body today, and it will take care of you for years to come. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more simple tips and foods that keep your life active, healthy, and full of energy. Backhand index pointing right. Stay strong, stay young at heart.